Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to install APK files on an iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn the toggle on for Content and Privacy Restrictions to unlock more settings. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure that installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases are all set to allow. Then, go back and tap on Allowed Apps. Check the important apps and features are allowed and not restricted. Now, go back and tap on Content Restrictions or App Store, Media, Web, and Games depending on your iOS version. Make sure everything is set to allow, especially for apps and web content. Then, return to Connect and Privacy Restrictions and double-check that everything is set to allow access. Now, go back to the main screen and turn on the option that says Share Across Devices. After that, go back to General in Settings and tap on Software Update to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Then, return to the General menu and tap on VPN and Device Management. Finally, connect to a trusted VPN if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.